Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Naman and I'm back with another video. So this is going to be another sneaker review video in which I will be showing and talking about one of my recent pickups. But before I start talking about the sneaker, I just wanted to say that if you guys are new here, if this is the first video you're watching on my channel, then this is the channel where I majorly talk about sneakers. I do a lot of sneaker review videos and I do a lot of sneaker haul and shopping haul videos as well. So if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. Now, let me quickly show you the sneakers that I will be reviewing today. And the sneaker is from the brand that I love a lot. So this is a Vans Off the Wall box, and as I mentioned that yes, I do love this particular brand a lot. This is the 7th sneaker from Vans brand that I've added to my collection, and I'm really happy with it. Let me quickly open the box and show you the sneakers I'm talking about today. So here are the sneakers. These are Vans Skate Mints. Now I have been wearing skate highs for a very long time. I already have got two in my collection and I'm really happy to add a pair of mids in my collection as well. This is not your typical Vans Skate model or Vans Skate sneaker. This is quite a different one. Now I've already shown this sneaker in my budget sneaker haul video, but yes, after opening the box, after the video ended, and when I started looking at the sneaker, I saw that this particular sneaker is very different from your typical Vans sneakers. Now, as I've already mentioned, I already have got two skate highs in my collection. One you can already see back over there, and I will show you some of the differences that this particular model has to the skate highs. But before doing that, let's quickly talk about this particular sneaker. Now, as you can see, predominantly the sneaker is made of green color. Now, this is not your typical green color. This is kind of your very close to your olive green color, and I do not have a lot of green color sneakers in my collection. So that is also one of the reasons why I actually went for this particular one. The entire green color is made of suede material, and this is actually a very nice suede material they have used, and it is very soft. And honestly, as I mentioned, I do have other Vans sneakers as well. I feel that this is the best suede material they have used on the sneakers so far. Apart from that, this has got your Vans White Jazz stripe, which is made of leather material. Apart from that, this has got white midsole, and on the back of the midsole, they have got Vans branding, typical for every Vans sneaker. And on the tongue, they have got the Vans branding as well, same branding as they have given on the back. And the two different things, when it comes to look on this particular sneaker are, one is laces and the other is outsole. Now, when I talk about the laces, typically Vans give you white flat laces for their sneakers, but this one has got round laces on them. And the laces are also not just one color, they are made of two colors. It has got white and green, both the colors on the sneaker. Apart from that, they have also given an extra pair of laces which is of green color, almost the same color as the shoe, which is quite rare because generally I haven't seen Vans giving an extra pair of laces. Also, the other thing different from your typical Vans sneakers is the outsole. Now, typically Vans uses your waffle kind of an outsole to its sneakers. Though on this one, the pattern is the same. I mean, if I talk about the pattern is the same. When it has got this check kind of, when it has got this box kind of pattern over here in the end of the sneaker, got kind of an hexagon pattern over in the middle, and then again the square pattern in the front. So the pattern is same, but instead of the outsole being inside, I mean the layer of the outsole being like this, it is actually out. It is actually coming out. So you can actually feel it, and it's quite thick as well. So this is probably because the sneaker is actually kind of your weatherproof sneaker. Now, when I say weatherproof, I mean this is your water repellent sneaker, and this is actually a heat resistant sneaker as well. Now, I didn't know this fact when I bought these sneakers, but when I actually opened the box and I saw these tags and I read them, is when I came to know that this particular sneaker is not your typical Vans sneaker, as I mentioned in the starting of the video. And let me quickly read these tags to you. So this particular tag says this is eco-friendly and water repellent. Now that's self-explanatory. Water repellent is basically when the water comes in the contact of the sneaker, instead of absorbing the water, it would repel it. So the sneaker would not absorb it, which is quite strange because the sneaker is made of suede material and suede material is known to absorb water. So this is something different, very nice. And apart from that, there was one more tag in the box. Now this particular tag says that these are your heat retention sneakers, and there is a heat retention layer between outsole and sock liner. Now I'll give you a close look of this particular tag over here because this is something very new and something really nice about this particular sneaker. Also, there is a diagram over here which shows that there is a heat retention layer over here which basically prevents the sneaker to absorb heat as well. So this is an amazing sneaker. I initially bought these sneakers just because of the color and the model, because yes, this looks amazing, but knowing the fact that this particular sneaker has got these additional features to it, makes it even better, and I'm really happy to add these sneakers to my collection. Now let me quickly put these sneakers on feet and show you how they look, and then we'll talk about it further. Right, so I just saw the sneakers look amazing on feet, and I'm really happy how this particular purchase turned out. And quickly talking about the sizing here, I'm a typical UK 9.5 when it comes to Vans, but unfortunately we do not get 0.5 sizes in India, so I had to go for the UK 10. And honestly, all my Vans sneakers are of UK 10 already, and I've kind of made my peace with the fact that I have to wear UK 10 if I'm buying Vans in India. But also at the same time, this particular sneaker is not that large on my feet. I mean, yes, it is 0.5 size bigger than my usual feet size, but also at the same time, it's just a tad bit big from the toe area. And the good part is that this particular sneaker has got a very wide toe, so I would suggest that you guys go for your true to size in this particular sneaker. But yes, if you are also one of those 0.5 sizes people when it comes to Vans, then I would suggest you go for a 0.5 size up in the Vans brand. Else, apart from that, go for your true to size. Now, quickly talking about the pricing here. So, I bought these sneakers from Ajio, and recently I have made a dedicated video on Ajio wherein I've shown some of the best sneakers available on Ajio during the big bold sale, and I've talked about this particular sneaker as well. Now, the MRP for the sneaker is 10,000 rupees, which is quite high. I mean, skate highs as well go for around 8,000 or even less, around 7,000 rupees. But this particular one goes for 10,000 rupees. And the reason for that is because this is quite different. As I've already mentioned, this is your water repellent, heat repellent sneaker, has got amazing material, comes with an extra laces as well. So I would say that 10,000 is not an unfair price for this particular sneaker, but yes, I got these sneakers at a very good discounted rate. I bought these sneakers for 5,800 rupees. In fact, right now during the big bowl sale, this particular sneaker is going for around 5,500 or 5,600 rupees. Also, there is a 10% instant discount for HDFC card holders as well. So if you are one of those, then you can get this sneaker for around less than 5,100 rupees, which I think is a no-brainer, a steal deal right now. I mean, you cannot get a better price for such an amazing sneaker. So trust me, do try this particular model out. If you're not interested in going for a green color sneaker, then as I mentioned, this is available in black color as well, and kind of a faded black as well. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the sneaker review video, and I hope that I was able to convince you a little bit towards buying Vans more, or I was able to convince you to pay more attention towards the brand Vans of the wall. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the content, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button down there. That really helps a lot. And if you guys are new here, do subscribe to the channel and comment down below what you think about this particular sneaker, what you think about Vans skate highs in general, and anything else. If there are any other suggestions or feedbacks regarding the channel, regarding the videos that I do, regarding the content, feel free to go down the comment section, do let me know what you think about it, and I will make sure to reply to every single comment down there. So thank you so much once again. Take care of yourself, take care of family members.